going?
Magic Kingdom.
All right. This is one of the longest lines for the monorail I have ever seen.
It's off to work we go.
Hi-ho!
Hi-ho.
Oh no, where's
See the monorail?
Yeah.
Hi. Hey Clara, you're at the Magic Kingdom for the first time. Yay.
Yay.
Yay. Yay. Cinderella, that big castle? That's where Cinderella lives. Wow! But that's not the entrance to Pandora. What does Kermit say? Clara is singing like Ariel. Denied mama for auntie.
Of Paul Revere. Hi-ho, Paul Revere here. Sam, hello everybody. Hey, tell us, I'll hang 1 if by land, and 2 if by sea. Great. And 3 if by monorail. Fuzzy. Fuzzy! Oh! Done so, you were supposed to get a real horse, not a stick horse.
The real horse got sick.
Oh, is he a little horse?
Not the dark, but the light.
Stop it.
Not the sun, but
Stop
the
it.
moon.
You can't just write yourself into the plane. That's not how it works. Oh, okay. Then let's see how this works. What? I'd say that song was a hit.
Good singing,
The ride of Paul Revere. Great moments in history. You saw it all right here. But only the American great moments in history. But just the American hearts.
Bother me anyway. We rode a few rides. We saw a show or two. Now we are heading back to the hotel to take a nap. And later tonight, we're going to go to Animal Kingdom.
I didn't see anyone there.
You don't know which one to get.
Hi.
You ready? Okay.
We have made it to Animal Kingdom. Here's the first animal.
What?
No, not you.
Now I'm the king of the swingers in the jungle.
You guys left me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man.
What do you see?
Be just like the other men. I'm tired of mugging around. Oh, be do. I wanna be like you.
Who's that? Hi, Clara.
You see, it's true. Someone like me.
Hi. We're in Animal Kingdom.
That's right.
Now don't try to keep me manco. I'll make the deal with you. What I desire is raspberry fox to make my dream come true.
Lionfish taco? Lionfish is actually really good. Really? No, we probably should wait for Ashley's recommendations.
So I can be like you. Oh, be do.
Thank you.
I wanna walk like you.
How's your drink?
I didn't make a bad. Yeah, go ahead and taste it. I was like,
How about if I slug the whole thing down? It's like,
Can learn to be you.
your charcuterie board, you have 4 different meats. You have a pork coffee terrain here that's infused with a little bit of dark roast Ethiopian coffee. 3 different breads. You have an Indian style papadum right up here, so it's sweet bread for you. Is there anything else I can get you guys right now?
could you repeat all that?
Here we go. Yay!
Heading to Pandora.
Pandora are very loud. You can even walk in there, go up to the bar and go, can I get it? It's a go cup. Really?
Kind of looks like a giant Audrey too.
That's what I think of it too.
Oh.
Wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So cool. It's amazing. It really is. That is so cool.
It really looks like it's floating. Here we go. Wow.
Wow, look at this.
I guess I go 2 at a time.
So I thought it was beautiful.
Yeah.
It's a little short.
Yeah.
It's only 5 minutes.
Yeah.
But
a little short, but
remember
beautiful.
they had a minimal amount of land space to work with.
Yeah. And you were so excited.
I am so excited. I'm so excited.
This looks awesome. This place looks neat.
Oh my God! It's incredible!
Best ride
Best
ever.
ride ever, without a doubt.
It was the most awesome ride I've ever been on in my entire life. It was so awesome.
Are you excited?
I am.
I'm pretty excited. Are you excited to ride it again?
Yes, actually. This is one of the few attractions that I don't think I will tire of ever.
That's awesome.
And it has now twice and 3 rides made me tear up. So,
Systems ready.
so when we came look at the screen. Oh, come on.
So easily impressed.
Hi, and welcome to the Avatar program.
As the Na'vi say during this important rite of passage, Sivak Ho, rise to the challenge.
There's more to Pandora. I
Here, hold this.
Look at the wet there.
So Pandora was awesome.
Hi!
You have
But-
a dry spot like right
but-
here.
I am a little soaked. It is pouring rain,
But it's not hot.
Huddled under.
but it's not hot and it wasn't crowded. And Pandora looked beautiful. What I could see through the rain. Oh, future cast members.
I'm so glad.
I'm so glad you had fun.